Guys, latest information has it that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be freed anytime from now, as something very significant happened in court just few hours ago. Yes, in the heart of Nigerian's capital, Abuja, inside the chambers of the Federal High Court, the delicate trend of law, right, and international security underwent in one of the most watched legal battles in the country's recent history. Yes, today, all eyes were in the courtroom where Justice James Omotosho was expected to deliver a ruling, not on guilt or innocence, but on a crucial procedural question. Should the federal government's evidence against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, be admitted in courts? Yes, Nnamdi Kanu, a polarizing figure hailed by his followers as a freedom fighter and viewed by the government as a threat to national unity, is at the center of a legal storm. His ongoing trial, surrounded by tension and controversy, has taken an unimaginable twist. Yes, today, May 29, 2025, procedures were stood down as Justice Omotosho considered arguments from both legal teams on whether to admit certain statements made by Mr. Kanu during his detention. The federal government, through its counsel, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Suraj, maintains that the statements were made voluntarily and form part of its evidence in the case. But Kanu's defense counsel, led by Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Paul Orowoko, challenged this. They argued that the statements were made under duress. Kanu alleged that during his detention by the Nigerian State Security Service, he was denied access to his lawyer, threatened with the denial of bail, and deprived of fresh air, even in consideration of his health conditions. He claimed that he was held in solitary confinement underground and was coerced into speaking about former President Goodluck Jonathan and ex-Governor Rochas Okorocha's statements he made were not his own. Kanu also accuses the authority of tampering with the video recordings of his interrogations. Wow, this is serious. In response, a witness from the Department of State Security took his stand, described as an operative familiar with the interrogation process. The witness strongly denied all allegations of coercion. According to the DSS, Kanu was never mistreated. He was not only treated fairly, they assert, but with preference, including being served bottled water and even considered treatment throughout. The operative expressed surprise at the accusation, stating that Kanu spoke truthfully and voluntarily during all interviews. No one, he insisted, pressured him to implicate any political figure. Faced with two shaped opposing narratives, Justice Omotosho had offered what is known as a trial within trial, a legal mechanism designed to determine whether the controversial statements were made voluntarily or under compulsion. This is not just a question of legal formalities. It touches on fundamental rights, the rights to fair trial, the protection against forced confession, and the credibility of state institutions. And it raises broader questions about the balance between national security and individual liberty in the country still grappling with deep political division. The truth is that as Nigerians and observers around the world await the court ruling, one thing is clear. The outcome of this trial within trial will shape not just the direction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, but also the public's trust on the nation's justice system, because real justice is not just about verdicts, it's about how those verdicts were reached. We'd love you to do well to drop your own thoughts in the comment section about the continuous detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We truly don't take it lightly. My name again is Moses and this is Think Tank. See you on our next video.
No, this is my. No, come on, go ahead. We're not waiting. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Things went well. We'll continue the cross-examination of BBB. Today is day 2 of his cross-examination, and we'll be back here tomorrow to continue and hopefully proceed with other witnesses. That's all.